Do you want to create urgency and boost your sales on Shopify? Well, today I have an effective countdown timer element that can help you do just that in PageFly. Let's start to add the countdown timer to the page. Click on Elements. Select PageFly Elements. Scroll down to find Countdown Timer Element. The countdown timer element comes with 3 variations covering most of your needs. You can drag and drop the one you like into the page editor. Let's configure countdown timer structure. The countdown timer contains 2 elements: countdown number and countdown label. You can click on these elements to see its settings. Go to the General tab to configure countdown timer element. Here we have 3 options to start the countdown here. At a specific time. You can choose the date and time to start the countdown with the format: year, month, day, hour, minute. On the first visit, the countdown timer starts to count when a visitor starts open the page. On every visit, the countdown restarts every time the visitor opens the page. The next parameter is the countdown restart. Please note that if you choose on the first visit for countdown start and never for countdown restart, the countdown will run from the first time you see the page, and it only runs one time until the countdown ends. So in this case, when you open the page after the timer ends, the countdown will no longer active. Let's move on the countdown end parameter. At a specific time, this option will set up for the end time with the exact date following this format: year, month, day, hour, minute. After specific period, this option will set up for the end time with the exact time period following this format: day, hour, minute, second. The next toggle is the redirect when ends feature. Enable this to insert the URL of the page when the countdown timer ends. With this feature enabled, when the countdown ends, it will bring visitors to that page. This option is useful for flash sales or other cases. If you want the countdown disappears when it ends, you can enable hide if inactive toggle. For more customization, you can select this option to set the timer to full width and edit the text label. Hide or show the colon or the text label in others. Switch to the Styling tab to make the countdown timer more attractive. You can also select each countdown number element to further customize the font size and background color. Or adjust the border radius. And continue with the countdown label. Don't forget to publish the page. You can check out our pre-made section gallery to quickly use the countdown timer. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.